A few days later, all the engines went to see Hiro. He puffed forward slowly. The engines gasped. Hiro looked wonderful, as good as new.
Welcome back, Master of the Railway.
Thank you, sir.
Hello guys, in this video we're gonna unbox this plarail Hiro and this R20 track piece. So yeah, let's unpack this first. The R20 track piece is basically like a quarter of the normal straights. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put them down. Yeah, so I put them some in the layout. Yep, I still have leftovers as you can see, but yeah. Oh well. Okay, let's unbox this plarail Hiro now. I've already opened the tape without damaging the box. Just open this. Oh, styrofoam. Oh, I see the truck. Okay, yep, that's the truck. Oh, it comes in a hole. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. It's a plarail Hiro. I don't like that face though. Yeah, I don't like that face. I think the Trackmaster face looks better. Overall, yeah, it's pretty good. Yep, there's the barrels. I don't know why it's green. I guess it's like paint. And this is a narrow gauge truck. I don't know why they use it, but yeah. Okay, let's open this plastic, I guess. There's a truck. There's a truck. Here is his tender. And here is the man himself. I get the trade. Hiro. Yep. We got more styrofoam. I guess we don't need it. Yeah. So this is plarail Hiro. The wheels are pretty good because brand new. It glides pretty well too. Okay, but first we're gonna take a look at the truck, the standard narrow gauge truck. I'll put it up on the screen right there. Yeah. Yep, that's basically it. And these are the barrels. Yep. Okay. And let's talk about Hiro. So Hiro's controversial. controversial because Japan, the D51 class is made in Japan. I mean, they did it pretty well except the face. The face, I don't know why they made it a neutral face. I'll show you a Trackmaster around there somewhere. Yep, that's the Trackmaster one. Yep, that's basically it for my complaints. This is the face. Overall, the engine's pretty good. Yeah. I'm figuring out how to open this. I'll just look at the back of the box. Speaking of the box, let's look at the box. There's an instruction in there. Let me just. There goes styrofoam. Oh, awful. It's not going on. Okay, never mind. The box has the promo image of Hiro, the new CGI Thomas. On the side we have Hiro. Yep, it's a TS07. On this side we have another picture of Hiro. On the top we have the logo, TS07 again, and something about Hiro. I can't read Japanese. And this tells you how to open it. Oh, it's on the back. It takes a C battery. Oh, I have a C battery. Yep, that's basically it about a box. Let's put batteries in Hiro. So I put in the batteries, and this is the most silent train I ever had. Listen to that, bro. That's so quiet. Let's put the shell back. Yep. Here's the tender. Let's put it back. And watch it go round. I think he's the fastest train ever. Fastest Tomy train I ever got. Going down the hill. That's pretty much it for this unboxing video. Yep. I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, I'll leave you at the trains now.